Okay, so I'm here with Quentin. He's doing a little bit of camera settings, and we're kind of in these little alleys, and we're just going to explore a little bit more. There's a lot of stuff that I did another video just a while ago. I've done other ones too, and I just kind of want to get some more information from you guys, just to kind of see what you guys know about this whole spot. And they're basically, what I know about it is that it's these are kind of like old social housing, old tenement kind of stuff from back in the day. And I think I've also heard that they might even try to be getting rid of these as well.
Oh, really?
I heard that, but I'm not sure.
Do you think they're gonna get like tear them down and rebuild, or?
I don't know if they'd rebuild the same thing.
No, I mean, you know, just modernize it and, you know, like new apartments and stuff like that.
Yeah.
It'd be kind of a, you know, it would be good for the city, but at the same time, I think it would kind of be a shame because this is really neat.
Yeah, I agree.
It really is neat, man.
I agree. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.
It's just wicked to think that, you know, that this cross up there, and
yeah, this way people go.
Yeah,
there's like little escape routes.
Oh yeah.
Ways.
I wonder what it's like on the top of this, man. Imagine getting a drone up there. That would be cool, bro.
You want to try to get up there? I actually, while you were down there, I went up to this another floor, and I went up one whole floor.
Yeah, did you?
Yeah.
Did you see anything interesting?
I saw people's apartments.
Yeah.
I just walked by. I didn't turn the camera. Like yeah. I just saw one person's door.
We can do that. Let me get a shot of this sign real quick. Yeah.
Maybe we can go, I'll just go down and we can go to the next one, and then we can maybe try to go up the stairs. So just give a little context of where we're at. So we're basically, these little streets are crossing everywhere, and then these just kind of keep going. So we could go into any one of these, and I don't know how far down they go, but we're basically just at a normal street now. And so I think what we're going to try to do is try to go up there and just kind of see how far up we can get. And based on the other one, we could get up. I could get up to the second floor. So so we'll just see.
Another barbershop sign.
Did you see it? Did you see another one? Oh, right there. Yeah. So we're.
One right here, sir?
Yeah, I think our take is that these are connected to prostitution.
Something maybe 50 mop, maybe.
Yeah.
Massage, 50 mop.
So Quentin, we could try to go up these. Oh, you see something?
Yeah, I got great reflection right here, bro.
Just kind of go up a little bit. So I think what we're going to try to do is see how high we can get. So we'll see how we do. Yeah, actually, no, this one has a barbershop pole. Maybe we should go up a different one. Or should we go up a barbershop pole one?
It might be interesting just to see what we can see, yeah.
Yeah, so I'm gonna start going up the stairwell. If you want to come this way.
Hold on, just take one more shot.
Okay.
I'm not gonna go back and forth camera settings, which is a pain in the butt. So.
Okay, so we're going to. Yeah, that's what I was thinking about as well. Yeah. If we should go up this one or another one. There's probably another one down that way.
Yeah, I mean, he may have lived there. You never know.
Yeah.
Let's just walk up, take a peek away.
Oh, it's actually a barbershop.
Oh, it is? Very nice.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. So that's actually a legit business.
Oh.
Pretty wild, eh?
Hello?
Hello. How are you? So that goes all the way up to the top. So, okay, so actually that's what it kind of looks like. I guess that's like a escape route. Goes that way. Okay. Well, now we know. So basically at the top, this actually comes to an ending. At the top, I'm at the top, Quentin.
You're at the top?
Yep. Can't go any further.
No.
But yeah, actually, so this is actually like...
Somebody owns that property, it looks like, probably.
Yep. So it looks like you can, so if there was actually a fire...
Keep your arm there.
Yeah, actually this opens too.
It's a fire escape, huh?
Fire escape, and then that's the final apartment. Can't go any further than that. There's security camera up there too.
Yeah, this is neat, bro. Very neat.
So okay, so we got to the top, and this is basically what it looks like. So now we know, and I think I'm going to turn the camera off for a little bit. Oh wait, let me get some kind of interesting shots here, and then we're gonna I'll continue when we get back down to the main street down there. Guy, when we came up, a couple guy said hello, and
Yeah, I said hello to him as well.
So let's see. All right.
Really good shot.
Imagine.
Oops. Have to edit that out, dude. my daughter dropped an F-bomb the other day.
Yeah.
I was not very happy about it. So neat.
Yeah, so actually I guess one of the things we're learning about this is I thought these stairs would go all the way across, and they don't. So they only go across.
It's an escape thing, isn't it?
Yeah, so that's just only for these apartments on this side, right?
Yeah, I think so. Hey, take a look at it. Let me get that again, bro. Hold on. My ISO is a little bit.
Yeah, so I think actually the other building I walked down on the second floor, and I could actually
That's better.
I can actually like yeah, it's weird. It's weird. Actually, let's when we get down to the second floor,
Yeah.
we're gonna see if we can go across, and,
Okay.
and then we can see like how this stuff is built a little bit.
Really interesting.
Okay. Yeah, because look, so like these apartments have this one, right? There's only one access to that one.
Yeah, so they're all fire escapes, aren't they?
Yeah, so those are fire escapes just to the neighboring one, maybe.
Yes.
And then you can come down the stairwell.
That one looks like it's open, actually.
Oh yeah.
You see that door?
Actually, I pushed that door open.
Oh, you could?
As well.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
It was
I guess
unlocked.
you'd have to, or else it'd probably be against, if it is a fire escape, it's law, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Breaking fire code, yeah.
So I'm wondering how people get into these middle ones, unless
Right
there's.
here?
I guess
Middle
so.
right here, maybe?
Yeah, maybe
And then
these.
maybe there's another one on the other side. Maybe it's split. So on the other side, you come in. Maybe like architecturally, in the middle there's a wall. So
Yeah.
it's like entrance, and architecturally like that. So there's no actual middle, maybe. Because
Oh, it could be.
when we went in, and you go straight the wall. When you go up the stairs, right? You go straight to either a wall or an apartment.
Yeah.
Right? And an apartment on the left, apartment on the right. So I'm wondering if there's two entrances on each side.
Yeah.
What I'm
Yeah.
thinking.
So there must be on that side, this side, and then
Yeah.
the street side. What
Yeah.
about that middle one? Like, how would they get into those?
Is there a thing right there? An angle?
Maybe they come in. Maybe there's some other way.
Yeah, there's got to be some sort of entranceway, I'm sure. Gotta be. Gotta be.
Well, pretty cool little spot.
Yeah, it's neat. You want to walk down this way a little bit?
Yeah, sounds good. So actually, I think these are the ways, because this one.
Yeah.
Let's just walk through it real quick. So yeah, I think this, there's probably like a stairwell or something. Like, oh, maybe that stairwell right here. So maybe that stairwell on the sides, they go to that building's. Look. Okay. Then we're coming out the other side. And this is called, we're actually in Eohon, so I can see there's a Hua the first street of the barrio of Eohon.
Are you looking at that yellow sign?
Yeah, right next to the yellow sign and the white, there's the street sign.
Oh, you can see it. Okay, yeah, you can see the street sign next to it.
So I guess if I label it, it's basically we're in Eohon.
Okay. Ooh, oh, okay. I didn't see the red flag. I saw the blue and the yellow. I immediately thought Ukraine.
Pretty cool though.
It is really cool, man. Very, 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 very neat.
So yeah, we got some pretty cool videos. So this is, I guess we're gonna conclude this one, and Quentin and I are gonna do some other ones as well. So we got some, we're gonna try to get over to the barbershop one. We got some ones we're doing mahjong. Yep. I got another one I'll tell you about later as well. There's cool. Maybe I'll tell you about it real quick right now. Okay. But there's like, I was filming this other area the other day, and somebody said, oh, that's where one of the most infamous murders happened in Macau, and it was like a family of 10 over a gambling debt in the 1980s. And I didn't know I was in that area, but I know the area now, so maybe I can, we can
find it, man.
Try to find it as well.
Let's check it out, man.
Yeah.
Let's check it out.
So we got some good content coming. So keep watching for the ones with Quentin and I, because we're gonna, that's a little preview. Before we leave, so Quentin was telling me, it looks like it's he was telling me that these are
most likely a wanted. I think this is wanted posters for people that are wanted by the police. I obviously I can't read the Chinese, but I've seen a lot of this stuff, and I've been in Macau for long enough to know that these yellow signs like this, when they have people's faces plastered over, it's usually more or less a wanted sign. Say, hey, these people we're looking at. If you find these people, call the judicial police. Blah blah blah. I can obviously get my wife later to confirm or deny that off camera.
Sounds pretty cool.
Yeah. Interesting, man.
All right, so we're gonna so I guess we got a little extra part on this video, and
here it is again too.
So we're coming out to the main area, so we'll just kind of give you a little context. So this is the Eohon area. It looks like we have, I think some of these might be similar.
Yes, it
style.
looks like almost like exactly the same thing.
Yeah. Let me just poke around the corner real quick. So yeah, these are little things that kind of go up and down. So we basically just followed up and down those little things. And I guess with that note, we're gonna end it for this one.
This is cool, man.
Oh, actually, now I see this is so that's number 7. Yeah.
Do barrio Eohon.
So there's actually that sit, and then over there is 1, 7.
Eohon.
So there's like.
So it is the same area. It's just different, like how to say it?
Numbers, yeah.
Yeah, numbers, but also different blocks, I guess, right?
Yeah. I have wandered in here enough. I've wandered around and I've seen, like, I think that one will probably be like number 3 or 5, because I remember this a little bit in the past. So I think there's like at least 8 of them, if not maybe 9, at least 9, could be more.
Is that the Sacred Heart Canosian College right there?
It might be.
Let's go take a look. That'd be interesting. That's my wife's school.
Let's do it. So goodbye to these little barrios that we're in. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.